Question 1. Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria, year 1955. The Crown Victoria's stainless steel roof band earned it the nickname Basket Handle Ford. Question 2. Volkswagen Golf GTI, year 1976. The original Golf GTI was created as a lightweight hot hatch that helped define a whole new performance car class. Question 3. Packard Caribbean hardtop, year 1956. The 1956 Caribbean was one of Packard's last flagship models before the brand's decline. Question 4. Chevrolet Camaro Z28, year 1967. The Z28 package was created to homologate the Camaro for Trans Am racing. Question 5. Ford GT40 Mk I, year 1964. The GT40 famously went on to win Le Mans 4 times in a row. Question 6. Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL 6 Mk I, year 1978. The 450 SEL 6 Mk I was the fastest production sedan in the world when it debuted. Question 7. Holden Monaro GTS 350, year 1973. The GTS 350 was one of Australia's most iconic V8 muscle coupes of the 1970s. Question 8. NSU Ro80, year 1974. The Ro80 won the 1968 European Car of the Year award. Question 9. Chrysler Turbine Car, year 1963. Only about 55 Chrysler Turbine cars were built for a public test program. Question 10. AMC AMX, year 1969. The AMX was AMC's rare 2-seat muscle car built to challenge bigger name rivals. Question 11. Lotus Eleven, year 1956. The Lotus Eleven was so aerodynamic that it became a giant killer in 1950s sports car racing. Question 12. Buick Grand National, year 1987. The 1987 Grand National was one of the quickest American production cars of its time. Question 13. Alfa Romeo 1900C Super Sprint, year 1954. Its touring Superleggera body made it one of Alfa Romeo's most elegant 1950s Gran Turismo cars. Question 14. Lincoln Continental, year 1965. The 1961 to 1969 Continental is famous for its rear-hinged rear doors. Question 15. Shelby Cobra 427, year 1965. The Cobra 427 used a lightweight AC roadster body with Ford big block power for brutal performance. Question 16. Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint Gran Turismo, year 1964. This Bertone-designed coupe is famous for its distinctive step-front nose. Question 17. Aston Martin DB2 Mk I, year 1953. The DB24 was among the earliest production Grand Tourers with a practical rear hatch. Question 18. Nissan Skyline Gran Turismo R32, year 1989. The R32 Gran Turismo R earned the nickname Godzilla after dominating touring car racing. Question 19. Ferrari Dino 246 Gran Turismo, year 1969. The Dino was named in honor of Enzo Ferrari's late son Alfredo Dino Ferrari. Question 20. Facel Vega FV, year 1955. Facel Vega blended French luxury coachwork with powerful American V8 engines.